Good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Beauty by Jessica Lee. Thank you so much for joining us today. And today I'm going to share with you my morning routine as a teacher. This is what my morning looks like every day. First thing I do when I get up is I put on my lotion or I'm going to forget. And then I'm going to share with you my skincare routine and my makeup that I do every single morning because I don't have time to do a lot because I am always rushing out the door. So if you are in a rush in the morning, then watch this because maybe my skincare routine looks like yours. How tired do I look in the morning though? And this is me pretending that I'm about to do my bed, but I definitely don't do it ever. Good morning. This is not a reenactment. It is morning. Wanted to share with you my morning routine as a teacher. It's not very long. Actually, I'm gonna see today how long it is. But my facial routine in the morning is quite minimal because let's be honest, who has time in the morning? So this is a sample size, but I've finished my big one. I still need to pick up a new one. I usually use the Blueberry Bouncy Gentle Cleanser by Glow Recipe, if I even use a cleanser in the morning. I like this one. Whoa. I like this one. It's relatively scented, but it really gets out all that dirt and in the morning, probably all my oils. So here we go. Oh, I need a towel. So after I cleanse, I've actually been using products from Primera, and I've been using these products, some of these products in particular. This is the Glow Is All You Seed bestseller set. I actually received this from Octoly, but I have been a big fan of Primera for a while now. Yeah, so thank you Octoly and Primera for sending this to me. They have 4 products in this kit. This product, which is the mild facial peeling gel, I actually already have this in the big size, and so I haven't used this smaller size. I'm waiting to travel with that, but I do love that stuff. Like, it's an exfoliant. It's fantastic. However, I have been using the Miracle Seed Essence, and I am obsessed with this stuff. So obsessed, in fact, that I ordered off Octoly a full size of it. It's so good. Like, so good. So Octoly also sent me the full size version of it. Let me show you what that looks like. This is really taking up a lot of time in my morning, but this is a beautiful glass case. Really, really nice. This is the size difference. What I love about it is that they send you with a bunch of cotton pads. In the full size, it has a big thing of cotton pads, so that's really cool. But I really do love this product so much. I find that my skin looks brighter and dewier, and it just feels good. It's really good for like anti-pollution. It's really nice throughout the day. So I usually take the cotton pad and I will just soak it up a little like that. Just put a little bit. And I just kind of put it all over my face. This really does help to brighten and rehydrate my skin. It feels really nice, feels really supple afterwards. It really, I think after I use that, usually I feel like more awake. After that, this has 2 other products in it, and it has the Alpine Berry Water Cream, which I've been using, and I actually really enjoy it. I find that this product also makes my skin look really dewy, but it's super hydrating and it's not too thick. What I like about Primera is that it's an all clean brand. It's owned by, it's a sister brand to Amore Pacific. This is really great if you have oily skin too. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Really, really nice product. The last product that it has in here is the Clean Berry Lip Mask. It smells really good, and I've actually never tried this before. So the rest of this room is literally so embarrassing. I can't even show it to you because it's just so messy. So my makeup is pretty minimal in the morning because, again, I don't have time for that. So first thing I do is I spray my all-nighter spray. The one I've been using is the Summer Solstice one. I love the smell of this. Sounds like it's almost gone. And then I do my eyebrows because, so here we go. Eyebrows on. I also really need to wax them. But what child is looking at them anyway? Gotta get them sharp. You know, you gotta get these eyebrows in check, just like your students' attitudes. And I use the Benefit Goofproof. I love this stuff. There's the train coming through, which means I've got to hurry up. Spent too much time talking to you about Primera. So eyebrows are done, pretty much, right? Good enough. The next thing I do is I put on concealer. Another thing I always teach my kids, you can always erase it away. Now let's be honest, I looked at my concealer brush the other day and I was like, that's dirty. And it kind of freaked me out with how much crap is probably in it. So I don't have a brush right now. So cool. Just gonna use our fingers then, because I don't have time to go look for one or find one. Can't show those kids your weaknesses, you know. Get rid of those under eye bags. Then I use this, is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I use this clearly every day. Before I do that, I pretty much just use this bronzer and I dab it a little bit in the pink. And I just do a little like that. Wow, this is making it look real bright. Like my students' futures. And then I add a little shine. Clearly I like that one. Gotta add a little highlight, you add that shine, you know? So if your kids start falling asleep, you can go bam! Shine them with your bright lights. One time a child told me that my lips were really chapped. So I like to use the Fresh Sugar in the City. Clearly, like if you can see, this has been like literally used the heck up. I only do like a tap or two, and it gives you just a little flush. It just gives you a teeny flush of color, because I don't need anybody telling me my lips look chapped or that I look a little dead, because my lips have no color. So just put a little bit on there. On the weekends, we go a little heavy, you know, like the weekend you can like really add color. This is more of a weekend color for me. This was sent to me by Octoly as well, but I love the Fresh lip balms. I think they're fantastic. They're long wearing, they are super moisturizing, and they last on your lips. So this like little pink stain usually lasts throughout the whole entire day. Super easy to keep in your purse. I love that it's a twist open, so there's no messes in a purse, because let me tell you how many lipsticks have opened in my bag, because if you're a teacher, you know your bag is full and you've got a lot of them. So literally, yeah, this stuff, love it. Daytime look, if you want to go for a deeper shade, Like, look how pretty that is. So pretty. And one last thing is every morning now, I just take a little bit of elderberry. It's a good immune booster. If you're a teacher, take this every morning. Give myself a little air. Because it's gonna be a long day. And that's it. Off to work. Bye.